It's a golden bear.
Chocolate sensation.
That's why they call it that.
If I die, bury me inside of Louis stall.
God damn, I'm scared. Get back!
It's not gonna go. It's gonna take a little bit for it to get hot.
I don't know.
It's gonna be nice when it does, though. Oh. Well, if this thing doesn't explode, I'm gonna get scared. Every time I come outside.
God damn it, where's it doing?
Yeah, Shaggy slow.
I'm expecting it to look like Independence Day.
Oh, it's a dud, Jim. Go get it.
Fucker just jumped up and bit me. Oh! God damn!